Here's a $1 billion blind spot in fleet operations. And it's not what you'd expect. Small equipment and tools don't get the same tracking and maintenance attention as vehicles, and the financial impact is massive. In the construction industry alone, over $1 billion are lost every year due to equipment theft, and only about 21% of stolen small equipment is ever recovered. Maintenance makes it worse. Emergency repairs can cost up to 10 times more than preventive maintenance, and many teams lose over an hour a day searching for misplaced equipment. Equipment that feels too small to track often creates disproportionately large operational and financial problems. For teams managing mixed fleets, how do you maintain visibility and maintenance schedules across everything? Managing this kind of equipment becomes much easier when tracking and maintenance live in one system. With Simply Fleet, small tools and equipment can be tracked, maintained, and managed alongside the rest of your fleet. To watch the full tutorial, click the video on your screen.